everyone. I just thought I'd do a short video on this build. My brother requested me to film what I'm building, so here he goes. This is the first time I've done a video, so please bear with me. Anyway, this is a Peugeot vintage mountain bike, and I think it falls under the 80s era, and this is the current state of the bike when I got it. I got it for $30. I don't know if I paid too much for it, but this is the current condition of the bike. See, there's a lot of patina going on. Yeah, it's a good thing I have a spare wheel set and a few parts to put on this bike. Okay, see you on the next video. Okay, video number 2. Just want to point out a few things before I complete the strip down. Still have to do the handlebars and take off everything, including the bottom bracket. And speaking of the bottom bracket, I believe this is loosened counterclockwise since it's a French bike, and that's what I'm suspecting. We'll see later. So I'm also gonna take off the headset, and I'm not gonna use the levers because it's already broken right there, and it doesn't look nice. So I'm gonna take it off and get rid of the handle, the grips. I might reuse the shifters as they still are functional. They just need a little bit of cleaning. These are the parts that I've taken off, and as you can see, I don't know if I'm going to be using the rear derailleur and the front derailleur as they're missing bolts. I think that's a pinch bolt right there. And that's the adjuster right here is missing, as well as the B screw. For the front, it's missing that pinch bolt right there. So I don't know if I'm going to use that. I have to find screws for that and the bolts. And this bin is going to be for the vapor rest. I'm going to put vapor rest there and clean them. This one I'm going to be putting either soap water or simple green and just clean it out. The rust on the chain rings, they could just be brushed with a wire brush and it'll disappear. Hopefully, we'll see. And that's where I am right now. Video number 3. Almost done stripping the frame. You don't notice the defects until you open up things, so this is what I found. You notice there's a crack right here. So I have to replace the whole headset. And I believe this is a 1-inch steer tube. So that's what I'm gonna buy. And I need a threaded. That's how dirty the bottom bracket is. Oh, speaking of that, this one is actually the English version, so to loosen it up, you have to go clockwise. I guess it wasn't made in France. And that's fork right there, so I'm gonna get a new headset. I have to take this off. Yeah, this needs a lot of cleaning. What I'm gonna do is clean it up with WD-40, the rust spots, wipe it down and put some rust converter on it, or maybe just leave it raw and then spray paint it with a clear coat to preserve the patina. So you can see there's a lot of patina everywhere. So on to the next video. Video number 4, another day. This is what I did so far. Put on the bottle cage holders, found spare parts, the front derailleur and the rear derailleur. I sprayed the frame with a clear coat to preserve the patina. And I just received the new headset, so that's what I'm going to be installing right now. And I'm just waiting for the rusted parts to be finished. It looks like the Vaporous is doing its job, so that's good. And this is the handlebars. I did the same thing also as I did with the frame. Just wiped it down, cleaned it, and then clear coated it. So same thing with the stem. So I'm just waiting for the seat post, and I'll be back in the next video. Okay, video number 5. As you can see, I've already put on the cranks and pedals, and already installed the front brake, and also did the cabling, and I'm on to the rear brakes. The seat post hasn't arrived yet, so which is a bummer. So I want this to get done immediately. Anyway, the wheels have been cleaned up as much as I could. And there's the other wheel right there. So, yeah, after the brakes, I'll be doing the shifters. Decided to use the old shifters. We'll see if it works. In case it doesn't, I have spare ones right here. Okay, see you in the next video. Okay, video number 6. I hit a road bump because I couldn't install that rear wheel because it has a 135mm hub, while the dropouts for this bike is only 130. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see, 130. So I have to use this makeshift tool to expand the dropouts slowly. It's good thing this frame is steel, and it could take bending the frame a little bit. So that's where I am right now. I have to do this first before I finish the bike. See you in the next video. Video number 7. This is the result of my work today. Finally, I got the dropout spread so the rear wheel could fit. As you can see, it fits real well, and it's centered, so very good. The derailleurs have been tuned. Brakes have been installed, front and back. And shifters work very well despite the age. The only thing that I'm missing again is the seat post. So on my next video, it's going to be the finished product. See you later.